Okay, here's a good question. You're asked to solve
Motion detected at the
this
Caitlin's
equation.
Casita.
And so to solve the equation, since it's quadratic, you need to make it equal to 0. So adding 18 to both sides, so you added 18 here, added 18 there, like you wrote there. So it's equal to 0, so you get this. Good. Once you're at that point then, you want to factor that expression. So to factor it, I like to use the guess and check method. And so I'm going to split the 25 up into 5b and 5b. And then the 12, I don't know. Typically, like 12, you could do 12 and 1, or 3 and 4, or 6 and 2. Let me try 3 and 4. So plus 3 plus 4. And since both of these are plus, that's why I put both of these as plus. So 25b squared plus 20b plus 15b plus 12. I add these together, I don't get 40. Dope. So that means, whoops, that's wrong. Okay. So I'll just erase it. Okay, so that means the 3 and 4 don't work. 5b, 5b. Let's try 6 and 2. 6 and 2. So 5, that's 25b squared plus 30b plus 10b plus 12. And when I add those together, I get 40. That means this is correct. So let me erase this stuff. Now that I know I factored it correctly, now since I've made it equal to 0, either this factor or this factor is equal to 0. So I just write them both out. 5b plus 2 equals 0, or 5b plus 6 equals 0. To solve this one, I'll subtract 2 on both sides, and then I'll divide both sides by 5. Similarly here, I'll subtract 6 from both sides, and then I'll divide both sides by 5. So there's my two answers. Now if you want, in decimals, let me just try that. I want to go to decimals. Okay. So I want to plug those numbers in to the initial equation into this to see if it'll come out right. Okay, hopefully I can see that. All right, so this will be 25, and then instead of b, I'm putting in negative 2 over 5. Negative 2 divided by 5, okay? Go over, bracket, squared, plus 40 times b again, so negative 2 over 5. 2 divide 5, go over, bracket, minus 6. Okay, and that answer comes out to negative 18. Negative 18, which is that answer up there. So that means this answer is correct. Now, I could also plug in the other number. Let's try that. So instead of negative 2/5, it's negative 6/5. So let me get rid of the 2 and put in a 6. Okay, get rid of the 2, put in a 6. Also comes to negative 18. So both of those answers are correct. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.